Welcome to Podcast English Easy. Today, we're diving into the simple yet powerful world of greetings like, "Hello, how are you?" "Doctor?" "Morgan, why are greetings so essential in English-speaking cultures?"
Greetings serve as social lubricants. They break the ice and set a positive tone for conversations. According to a 2021 communication study, people who start with a friendly greeting are perceived as 40% more approachable and trustworthy.
That's fascinating. I imagine greetings also help establish context, especially in diverse environments. How do they function differently in formal versus informal settings?
Great question. In formal contexts, greetings like good morning or how do you do signal respect and professionalism. In casual settings, hey or hi fosters warmth and familiarity. This flexibility is vital for navigating various social situations.
Now, let's break down the mechanics. Hello is often the first word English learners encounter. What makes it so universally accepted, and how does it differ from alternatives like hi or hey?
Hello is neutral and safe for any context, from business meetings to meeting a neighbor. Hi is slightly more casual, while hey is informal and best used among friends. Choosing the right greeting helps avoid awkwardness.
Interesting. The follow-up, "How are you?" often confuses learners. Is it always a genuine inquiry, or is it sometimes just a social ritual?
In English, how are you frequently functions as a polite formula rather than a deep question. Most expect a brief response like, I'm fine, thanks. However, in close relationships, it can invite more thoughtful answers.
Transitioning from English, let's compare. How do greetings in English contrast with those in other languages or cultures? Are there risks in direct translation?
Absolutely. For example, in Japan, bowing replaces verbal greetings, while in Arabic cultures, more elaborate exchanges show respect. Directly translating, how are you, can seem intrusive or overly familiar in some places.
So, could misunderstanding greetings lead to social faux pas for English learners abroad?
Definitely. For instance, in Russia, asking how are you too soon can feel insincere. Language learners benefit from observing local customs to ensure greetings match the cultural context.
Let's wrap up by focusing on mastery. What strategies can learners use to sound natural when greeting people in English?
Practicing with real scenarios is key. For example, role-playing at a cafe or networking event helps. Recording yourself and listening back can highlight areas to improve, like intonation and timing.
Are there specific mistakes beginners should watch out for, especially in professional environments?
Use overly informal greetings like hey dude in business settings can be off-putting. Also, forgetting to smile or make eye contact can reduce the warmth of your greeting. Consistent practice builds confidence and fluency.